Oh, that was good. Hey, good morning, folks. Jesse, Southern Reels fishing back out in my kayak. Finally managed to get it all back together, and I decided to come to Rudee Inlet. As you see, pretty much did every other kayak here in Virginia Beach, it looks like. It's kind of crazy. Years ago, there was nowhere near this many kayaks here. Now this place is loaded, which is awesome. Don't get me wrong. It's actually a pretty good chance of catching almost anything in here. Bluefish, trout, flounder, drum at this point. So if they feel like biting it, should be a pretty good day. Anyway, wish us luck. Yeah, I can pretty much see where all the crowd is going. So I see fish breaking up here along this little shore. Just up here. What better place to start? Start off throwing this little lightweight Berkeley bait I've been using for a while now. Let's see if they like it this morning by chance. Okay, well, it didn't take too long. Yeah, a little bluefish. I really want him anyway. Yeah, a little bluefish. Alright, folks, so far I'm just getting inundated by bluefish, which would be good if you were fishing my bluefish tournament coming up. Kind of like to catch some trout. Alright, hey folks, I caught a few bluefish back there in Lake Rudee. Honestly, it's stacked with people in there, which is surprising for a Tuesday. Of course, it is the first calm day we've had in a while, so I guess it's not too surprising. Anyway, I want to head out here into this open area. Try fishing out here for a while. I don't know, just play it by ear, so that's what's up. Oh dang, I got a double hook up here. Look at that. Bluefish. 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 Another bluefish. A little bigger. Well, lots and lots of bluefish. Finally, a trout. Finally got a trout. Still down. That's another bluefish. Yep. More bluefish. Used to be a trout. Had a bluefish. What is it? Ooh. Nice trout. Hey. Not what I want, but I'll take it. I might have a flounder. It feels like one. First flounder of the year. I finally got me another fish. Yeah, that's a pretty nice trout. And he is 16. Keeper. I don't think this is legal. Nope. Still. So at least it's a trout. Alright, y'all, that time of day has come. Got 4 keeper trout, tons of bluefish, 1 small flounder. It's a pretty good day. And I'm doing one last troll back to the boat ramp just to see if by chance I can pick up one more. If not, I'm heading home. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out. See you in the next video.